M-1 COBRA update, January 1st, 2022. Got my rear end all painted, detailed out. I polished the inspection plate cover there. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it polished or I'll brush it. Got all my suspension parts cleaned up, painted, all the body color, clear coat. I epoxied everything, then I base coated and clear coated. So it's all ready to be put back into the car. Next week, I'm going to work on my motor, detailing the motor. And I picked a color that I like. I like this red. And I'm going to use that on some of the engine parts. I'll get started on that next week. So I want to wish everyone a happy, healthy, and a prosperous new year. Thanks for watching. So I started painting some of my suspension parts today. I'm doing everything the body color underneath. And so I base coated, clear coated the same as the body. They turned out, they look really good. My K member, I want to get all these parts painted so I can start putting the car together, the motor and so forth. And the first step would be this K member. I'd have to put it in. That supports the motor. It's got a hammered finish on it, so it looks a little rougher than the other parts, but that's okay. I think it'll look good. It's the same color as the body. These parts are smooth here. They turned out really look really good. So, and then again, this one's hammered. So there we go. Got a couple brackets here. Getting all the details done, ready to assemble it. So I don't want to skip anything right now. So there's my rear end for the car. Today I'm going to take everything apart. I'm going to pull the brakes off and all the little pieces off the rear end and clean it, sand it, get it ready to paint.